Hello YouTubers, today we're gonna show you how to replace the water pump in the Samsung top loader washer. And my son is with me, so sorry for the little extra noise. He's watching TV next to me. Okay, the washer doesn't work anymore because it won't. It's not draining the water. And then this is the normal issue with those washers with these new models, that they come with a little electric water pump. And when you have this problem or this symptom, you have to replace the water pump. Okay, so first of all, be careful because all the parts here are very sharp. You can cut yourself, so you better use gloves to do this job. And then, just always be careful. All we gotta do is pull out this hose, let the water drain, and then in a minute we're gonna find out what was the problem, or what was the problem that make the water pump fail. Okay. It takes a little bit of knowledge. Just for all you have is use the couple of tools to disassemble it. See the toothpick right there? Yeah, that was the problem. It's like the toothpick or something like that. I'm gonna show you in a minute. So if you have the problem that your washer doesn't drain the water, that means you got a bad water pump that fails. But this, when it starts the cycles to drain, it won't drain it. So this is gonna be the problem. Okay, it's pretty simple to fix it. Well, depends. If you got the patience, I would say not simple. But what you gotta pay to the technician. I'm not a technician. I just do this for my neighbor. But don't do anything I do, because you can hurt yourself. This is the part number for the assembly for the water pump. Just kinda wiggle it, move it a little bit around so you can get it out. There's an electric connector clip attached to the water pump, so you gotta disconnect it and pull out the little clip. Okay, there you go. That's the problem, guys. That was the problem of the water pump, and it got broke. So it's broken. You can hear it that it's broken or loose. Okay, let me show you real quick. Let me give a tips when you do wash the clothes. Always search your pockets and everything. Don't leave loose items in your pockets, because those loose items are gonna make your water pump fail. So they're gonna get stuck, and the pump is gonna still running. It's gonna break. So this is the part number for the water pump. I always buy them on eBay. I prefer eBay than Amazon. You can see this is easier, not too much stuff, just like Amazon. So just go to eBay.com, type the water pump, the model, the number, the part number of the water pump, and they're gonna come out with the different prices and different brands. Oh, I didn't spell it right. Let me do it again. 1601, yeah, instead of 1601. There you go. So there's some used one. If you want to just buy a used one for $30, for $60, 39. If you wanna just get the palm itself without the assembly, it's only $39. But if you wanna do the whole thing, like with the assembly, so you don't have to worry about this one. So just get the whole, and it's $15 more. See, $25 more for the whole assembly with the pump. I mean, just disassemble so you can see how you can disassemble if you wanna just order the pump itself. Okay, so come like that. Always take pictures so you know how to put it together.
Look at this one! Whoa! It still has a stem!
Okay.
Look at this one go free! Wow!
It's just a little brackets right here, clips to disassemble it. See, the pump is broken right there. The shaft with the fan is not on there anymore. It's in two pieces, supposed to go like that, but now it's broken. Okay, so let's go ahead and order it. Okay, we just ordered it. We'll see from it's the OM. As you can see, it's a genuine water pump from Samsung. $65 plus tax, free shipping from eBay, and it comes just ready to install. It comes with a new wire connector and with assembly and everything. So you just, all you gotta do is just put it back in. Okay, there you go. That's normally goes the old one. If you wanna put it together. You can always sell the assembly if you want to do it that way. For me, it's better this way. Just get the whole thing. You know, I think it was like something like this. There you go. Well, see, it's the same pump, even better pump, but looks different color. Okay, you gotta disconnect the other harness if you wanna use the new one, but it's better since they might fail later. So just replace the whole thing. See, that's the new part number. That's the old part number. There you go. Same part number, same brand, the OM. And we're gonna replace it and put it together, okay? Then we kinda do it this way. That's the clips for the other harness, so you gotta kinda push it down and disconnect it. There you go. All the way to the top, because on the top part is where it connects with the to another connector. This is all just clips, just to keep the harness secure, you know. All right, and then follow the line all the way to the top. I think that was the hardest part, doing the harness there, replace the harness, because it takes a little time and all that. Yeah. There you go. All the way to the top. Okay. And then you get to remove the back panel of the washer, Samsung. So you'll be able to have access to the end of the connector and disconnect it and put a new one on. Alright. Let's see. Turn it down a little bit, dude.
Master chocolatier.
There you go. Just be careful, don't try it too hard because they might be break easy. Okay. There you go. You just follow the line, the harness line. Disconnect the connector. Remember, have the washer unplugged all this time, okay? Don't do it. Don't do it if it's plugging into the power outlet, because it's very dangerous. There you go. All right, now let's do install the new one. And just follow the same path all the way from the bottom to the top, so you know how it goes. So I'm gonna install the water pump first. Okay. All the way to the top, connect it, and put the back panel back on again. Okay. And that's it, guys. Pretty simple and pretty easy. Okay. Then I think I put this wire the other way. It's supposed to go behind, but anyway, it's not a big deal. You're gonna really do a little back. Now we'll put on the back. So that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and test it for you guys, so you can see what is gonna go inside. Oh, come on. You remember that wire is going in the back? I'm just gonna leave it. I leave it like next time. That's exactly. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in and do a small cycle so you guys can see how it's working now. Just let it rain.
Sí, estábamos topando ya cuando saque el agua. Estoy esperando que llene primero.
I'm gonna speed up the video so you can see that it's doing the cycles. Now it's the time for drain the water, and it's going down, or it's spinning right now. The spinning cycle. Oh, it's washing it, whatever. Okay. After that, it's supposed to be working now. All right. As you can see, the water is gone. No more water. So it's working properly. And we're gonna do just one more cycle. Okay? One more small cycle. And we'll see if it's gonna do it again. Okay? But that's it, guys. Just always make sure if you have any, check for leaks. You never know. Sometimes you forgot to hook up any hoses or something like that. But yeah, just check the leaks. if is everything working. So what's the water pump? I fixed the water pump, $60 or $70, you know, plus labor. I charged her 70. Well, it's my neighbor, so it was free. Okay, let's do it again one more time. Okay, now let's fill it up all the way to the top. And I'm gonna start doing the drain cycle, okay? Not washing, supposed to be washing the clothes. Alright, that's it guys. Thank you for watching my videos. Have a nice night. And we'll see you in the next episode. We rescue to the hill. Yes, sir. Alright, let's work properly now, guys. See you next time. God bless America. God bless America.